Good evening, people. Sorry, I'm not watering the cucamelon with wine. I just pop that down, as you do, so that we're space saving. Bit of fun. I used to use hanging baskets, but they rust and fall to bits, and the slugs love to sit in them. But just to show you, here we have the cucamelon starting to grow. I've got one in a basket, which will give me and this greenhouse some shade. And then over here we have one in the ground. As before, these pots just direct the water. They are bottomless. They don't have, they're not a pot fully. String attached to the peg, and up comes cucamelon. I don't move the tendrils as with a cucumber, where you remove the tendrils because they do take a lot of goodness, and you also remove side shoots of cucumbers. So here's one. It's kind of a bit of a confusing situation if you've never grown cucumbers before, but it's the same principle when you get this kind of side shoot that you really do need to remove, so that your cucumbers are focusing on the main stem much easier. I think there was a nice beastie coming along there, and that, and more there, but here this is potentially a side shoot which I will remove, but not while I'm holding the phone, and crucially need to pick my wine up. Have a lovely evening. If we're all still doing a clap, I'm not sure. It's all very confusing. Happy gardening, people.